with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a worship song, Victory Belongs to Jesus by TODD DULANEY, and I'm going to be playing in the key of E flat. Alright, I'm going to show you the intro of the song as slowly as possible, and the progression, alright, is a 4, and you have key of E flat, a 4, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 4. Alright, so again 4, this is the chord 4, then chord 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 5, 4. Alright, so let's get on with it. Okay, let me do it again. So it goes the 4, this is the chord 4, then 1, the same thing, then you play your 6th chord. Now this time around, this is the chord I play, that's a chord 2, so you play like this, so it comes. 4. With 6. Who will stand against the Lord? And no one can, no one will. 6, 7, 1. Now this is your 6th chord. Now for 7 you play 7 on the left, and then you play 5 on the right. Then you move to chord 1. No one can, 4. No one will, 5. Oh, 4. Oh, 6. Victory, 7, 1. Victory belongs to Him. Second time you come to 2 before the 6. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to Him. Then you are a play. This is a 5/1. Then so you play 1. This is playing 1. Then it moves back to 5. So instead of you playing the left with 1 before moving to 5, you play 5. So it becomes victory belongs to Jesus. believe these calls should be able to help you play the song. Comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.